I'm working on a commission here and wanted to talk a little bit about blending with colored pencil. These are Prisma Color Premier, and I'm working on the handlebars of this motorcycle. As you can see, I'm mostly working with grays, and these happen to be warm grays. There's going to be warm grays and cool grays and French grays throughout this, but this part right here just has some warm gray. The pencil here I've got is a 90% cool gray, and I'm blending between the black, which is on the bottom, and the 90% cool gray that's right above it. And you can kind of see a solid line there, and I'm blending the two together so you don't see that solid line. Very often I will take the lighter color of the two to do the blending. There might be some occasion that I would take the darker value. You can see I'm going in small little circles to blend these two. Don't start your blending too early. You need several coats of color pencil down before you ever start blending. There's probably, I would say, at least 6 to 10 coats on this already before I've started my blending process. You can see to the right there, I've got a piece of glassine. I don't want to smudge everything, so I keep my hand on top of that. Now I have a 70% cool gray colored pencil, and I'm going to the next step above, and I'm blending those two values with just the tip of this pencil. I've got a nice sharp tip going in really tiny circles. I'm pressing pretty lightly right now. I'm just trying to smudge those two together. Since these are such waxy pencils, these colors really work well together to be able to blend with the wax. I've switched over to my colorless blender. You don't want to use colorless blender until the very end. Once you get that, it's just wax and you're just blending with it. But once you put that on it, you really can't get another layer on top of it very well. And I'm going over that highlight spot. I'm making sure that I'm going in the direction, the curved direction of that handlebar, so it actually looks curved. I'm actually dragging color from underneath into the lighter area. So I do want to be very careful about how I do this because I don't want to drag too much color into it. I'm constantly wiping the tip of that pencil off because it's picking up some color, and I don't want to accidentally deposit color in a light area that I really don't want there. It will be kind of hard to get off. Here's an overall view of what I've got finished so far. I think right now I've probably got a good 6 hours into just this area. Stay tuned, there'll be more to come on this piece. Please like, share, and subscribe.